to Fawaz. Fawaz straightens, gives it to the number 14. Numbers opening up wide. The number 11 will go over.
හොඳම තීරණය ගන්න.
Swistech Aquashield 2K waterproofer. Seal කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
Today it's a classic showdown between St. Anthony's College, Katukastore and Wesley College. Here's the Wesley College. Pawan Tirangama, Keshal Rahul, Nedit Hapugala forming the front rows. Hamdad Safraz, Manuka Jaivir. We will take a look at the Antonian setup. Sanit Ratnayaka, Awan Ekanayaka, Shevin Netsara, Sharan Jaitunga, Net Mikadiyanage. The whistle blown and the game is underway. Here at Nithavala, lovely high hanging kick. Goes the 10 meters. Rahul to the number 7. That's Naham Hemachandra. Forms the rolling ball. The driving ball rather. Goes sideways. The Antonians. However, Wesley still have play and advantage being played in favor of the Wesleyites as well. Here's the number 2 going to the corner. Advantage was already played. There were 2 calls for an penalty, quickly taken by the number 13, takes it into contact and he scored. Mohammad Fawaz for Wesley scores the first Amana Band try of the game for the Wesleyites. Brilliant work, brilliant identification of the rules. Amana Bank try.
What a way to open the scoring account for the Wesleyites this evening. Mohammad Fawaz is the man with that Amana Bank try. Saw that opening and
good decision by Randir. Here's Lianage to Omita. Offside is another penalty coming in for the Antonians. Omita Zanayaka decides to put the goose and goes to the over. Yet another advantage for an offside. Inshaf straightening things around yet again. Inshaf being brought down by the Wesleyite defense. Disanayaka ball available. No advantage is the call from referee. Looks to put the 3 points through. The conversion penalty attempt is good as well. 5 points to 3. The Antonians hitting back. Going into the opposition half of themselves and going for 3 points, and they've case Rahul of Wesley, and that will be another try coming in. Brilliant work. The number 2, Keshara Rahul for Wesley scores another Amana Bank try for Wesley. Have really worked well as the conversion goes through as well. Brilliant kicking from Hadi. The first time his tally to 33 points. As we see Naham Hemachandra collecting the number 7 and gives it to Keshara Rahul, who goes over and right over the whitewash. The conversion is good as well as we restart things. Deshan
inside 22.
Ball available. Gives it to Hadi. Hadi puts the ball to boot.
Backwards, ball was
collected
backwards.
Not cleanly. Backwards is the call. Here's the number 14 going into contact. Good work by Randir to cover that truck.
Half time.
And that will be half time. 12 points to 3. Wesley leading here at Nithavala. The Antonians not doing the basics really well.
as they deserve. They've got 12 points on the board and with two tries and 1 conversion to their name.
නව සුවිශේෂී පොලිම සංයෝගයක් සමගින් අනර්ගතම සුදු පැහැයක් ලබා ගැනීමට සහ ගාන පේන්ට් එකේ පාට හරියටම පෙන්වන ලෙස ඕනෑම විත්‍යක් නිමා කරගන්න Swistech Skim Coat ෆිනිෂ් එකට හොඳම කෙනා.
Puts the ball to boot and we are underway in the second half of this crucial match. Collected by Omita Disanayaka. He decides to run. Cut out pass to Deshan Lianage. Ball available. Here's Pawan Thiranagama. That's Nelit Thapugala. Here's Badu to Live gives the ball out to Fawaz. Fawaz straightens, gives it to the number 14. Numbers opening up wide. The number 11 will go. Brilliant work from the number 11. Rodrigo goes in the corner. There was space opening up wide. and through the hands, quick hands from the Wesleyites.
Nice bit of teamwork on that occasion. As you can see, number 13 gives it to Rodrigo, and Rodrigo through the corner picks his gap and launches himself over the line for their third Amana Bank try, and the first after the second half.
And the conversion is put through by Abdul Hadi as well. 19 points to 3. Having a fresh jersey as well. Little bit of mud, but the forwards are drenched. Here's Wesley driving through. Pawan Thiranagama at the back of that mall. Here's Keshara Rahul. Goes over. Brilliant work from Wesley and his forwards. Let's see who comes up with the ball. Looks like the number 8 is the one who has gone, the captain Sandul Gamampila. That's the bonus point try, the Amana Bank bonus point try for Wesley. Pass because of their fitness, as we see the replay collected by Nehem Hemachandra, and Pawan Thiranagama had it to the last minute, and the number 8 Pila.
Ishan Lienage to restart things off.
Good restart from the Antonians, manage to keep it, and that was a yellow card by the looks of it.
Oh, he says.
That is a yellow card awarded for number 2, Keshara.
As we take a look at the replay, here it is, lifts it and doesn't land him safely through above the horizontal, and that is what happens.
Mark here.
And the word from Colombo,
Okay.
St. Thomas playing 80 minutes is the lock, Sanit Ratnayaka. Lovely inside ball yet again, and the ball has been turned over. Wesley only need to kick this out. Another knock on, and that will be the game done and dusted.
First knock on, second knock on, game over.
That's the game done and dusted. 24 points to 3. Performance from them. Brilliant work. They have a good set of players, does Wesley this season. And now we will take a look at the key stats. 24 points, 4 tries, 2 conversions, giving Wesley the 24 points, and just a solitary penalty, giving the Antonians 3 points. Swiss Tech perfect player of the match, Abdul Hadi from Wesley.
එක පැත්තකින් වාගෙනදී තව පැත්තකින් මතුවෙනවා. මේ ටයිල් එක බෑ. දෙක තුනක් කැඩිලත් එක්ක. තමරි අක්කා.
ජීවිත කාලය පුරාම අල්ලන් ඉන්න නම් ටයිල් අල්ලන්න ඕන ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩිසිව්.
ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩිසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.